Turn PowerCube monitor on or off by pressing the display once. It shows the energy consumption of the devices that are plugged in the PowerCube. The energy consumption is expressed twice in monetary value, with the top value approaching 10 cents with 4 decimal places. The electric current is shown in speedometer style and measures up to 1.3 ampere. Set a new price per kilowatt hour by taking the PowerCube out of the socket and putting it back in. Then, turn off the PowerCube and press the display 3 times. To change the price to, for example, 36 cents, double press the display until the 0 starts blinking. Then, press the display once and repeat until the 0 turns into 6. Double press the display until the 2 starts blinking. Press the display once to turn the 2 into 3. The new price is set after pressing and holding the display for a few seconds until the PowerCube turns off. To measure energy consumption from a specific time without losing the total energy consumption, press and hold the display for 3 seconds to set the 2 decimals of the total value. The total energy consumption is reset after pressing and holding the display for 7 seconds.